Welcome to maths class. My name is M. Vijay Shekhar, KL Maths, Government Junior College, BHL. Intermediate second year, Maths 2B. This is second video lesson. Earlier class, we are already learned about standard forms of the integration. So, once again, we have to recollect those formulas. Okay. Integration of x power n dx is equals to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integration of 1 by x dx is equals to log x plus c. Integration of a power x dx is equals to a power x by log a plus c. Integration of e power x dx is equals to e power x plus c. So this set four formulas you have to remember at a time. Then you can learn very easily. This is already explained in the last class. Once again I am explaining in this class also. Next, integration of cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. Integration of sin x is equals to minus cos x. Integration of secant square x dx is equals to tan x. Integration of cosecant square x is equals to minus cot x. Integration of secant x tan x is equals to secant x. Integration of cosecant x cot x is equals to minus cosecant x. So once again you recollect, you learn these six formulas at a time. Integration of 1 by under root of x square minus 1 dx. 1 by under root of x square minus 1 dx is equals to sin inverse x. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equals to tan inverse x. Integration of 1 by x into under root of x square minus 1 is equals to secant inverse x. Hyperbolic functions. Integration of cos x. Integration of cos x is equals to cos hx is equals to sin hx. Integration of sin hx is equals to cos hx. Integration of secant h square x is equals to tan hx. Integration of cosecant h square x is equals to minus cot hx. Integration of secant hx tan hx is equals to minus secant hx. Adevidanga integration of cosecant hx cot hx is equals to minus cosecant hx plus c. Next, integration of 1 by under root of x square 1 by under root of 1 plus x square dx is equals to sin h inverse x. Sin h inverse x ante we can write in the form of logarithmic form also. Sin h inverse x is equals to log x plus under root of x square plus 1. Integration of 1 by under root of x square minus 1 dx is equals to cos h inverse x plus c. Cos h inverse x is equals to log 1 log x plus under root of x square minus 1 plus c. Properties of integrals. Here f plus g. Integration of f plus g. F plus g of x dx is equals to integration of f of x dx plus integration of g of x dx plus c is a constant. Integration of k into f of x dx. K is a scalar multiple. K into f of integration of f of x dx plus c. Exercise 6a. Loni problems. First problem. Integration of x cube minus 2x square plus 3 dx is equals to integration property using properties of integrations. Integration of x cube dx minus 2 into integration of x square dx plus 3 dx. Integration of 3 dx. Here we are applying the formula integration of x to the power of n dx. X to the power of n formula is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So x cube integration. So here n value is 3. N plus 1. N plus 1 ante x to the power of 4 by 4. So x power 4 by 4 minus 2 into x square integration. X square integration is x cube by 3 plus 3x. 1 integration is x plus c. Next problem. Evaluate integration of 2x root x dx. So here x to the power of 1 root x means x to the power of 1 by 2. So if the bases are equal, power should be added. X to the power of 1 plus 1 by 2. X to the power of 1 plus 1 by 2 is equals to x to the power of 3 by 2. So here n value is 3 by 2. N value is 3 by 2. So 2 into x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1. So 3 by 2 plus 1 means 5 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 1 means 5 by 2. 5 by 2 you can write it as 2 by 5. 2 into 2 4. 4 by 5 into x to the power of 5 by 2 plus c. Evaluate cubed root of 2x square dx. Cubed root of 2x square dx. So this is equals to 2 to the power of 1 by 3 x to the power of 2 by 3 dx. So here x to the power of 2 by 3, n value is here 2 by 3. Here what is the formula? Integration of x power n dx is equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here n value is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 by 3 plus 1 plus c. 2 to the power of 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus 1 means 5 by 3. 5 by 3 by 5 by 3. 5 by 3 you can write it as 3 by 5 plus c. So 3 by 5 into 2 to the power of 1 by 3 x to the power of 5 by 3 you can write it as cubed root of 2 into x to the power of 5 plus c. Evaluate integration of 1 plus 2 by x minus 3 by x square dx. So using properties of integrals, integration of 1 dx plus 2 into integration of 1 by x dx minus 3 into integration of 1 by x square dx. So integration of 1 is x, 2 into 1 by x, integration of 1 by x dx, integration of 1 by x dx is equals to log x minus 3 into integration of 1 by x square. 1 by x square means x to the power of minus 2. Here n value is minus 2. N value is minus 2 means x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So x plus 2 into log x plus minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus into minus plus 3 into x to the power of minus 1. X to the power of minus 1 means 1 by x. 3 into 1 by x means 3 by x plus c. Next problem. Evaluate integration of 1 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. 1 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So using properties of integrations, you split the integration. సమాకలనాన్ని విడగొట్టి రాసినట్లయితే మనకు యూజింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 by 1 minus x square dx ప్లస్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 by 1 plus x square dx. ఇక్కడ ఇవి రెండు కూడా ఫార్ములాస్, ఆల్రెడీ వీఆర్ రిటర్న్ ఇన్ ఫార్ములాస్. మన సూత్రాలను ఆధారంగా చేసుకొని డైరెక్ట్ గా ఆన్సర్ రాయడమే. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 by 1 minus x square ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ sin h inverse x. 1 by 1 plus x square formula is tan inverse x plus c. Next problem, evaluate integration of 1 by under root of 1 minus x square plus 2 by under root of 1 plus x square dx. So here also by using properties of integrals, integration of 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx plus 2 is a scalar multiple, 2 into integration of 1 by under root of 1 plus x square dx. So here direct formula, integration of 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. 1 by under root of 1 minus x square formula is sin inverse x plus 2 into integration of 1 by under root of 1 plus x square. 1 by under root of 1 plus x square formula is sin h inverse x plus c is a constant. Evaluate integration of e power log of 1 plus tan square x dx. E power log of 1 plus tan square x dx. So e power log of 1 plus tan square x means 1 plus tan square x dx. So 1 plus tan square x, what is the formula of 1 plus tan square x? 1 plus tan square x is equals to secant square x. Secant square, integration of secant square x dx is equals to tan x. మనకి ఇక్కడ ఈ ఘాతాంకము log of 1 plus tan square x ని ఏ విధంగా రాసుకుంటాము? 1 by 1 plus tan square x గా రాసుకుంటాం. ఈ 1 plus tan square x యొక్క ఫార్ములా ఏంటిది? సూత్రము secant square x. secant square x యొక్క సమాకలనము మనకు tan x. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, evaluate integration of sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. Sin square x plus 1 plus cos 2x dx. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x ఫార్ములా 2 cos square x. 1 plus cos 2x ఫార్ములా ఏంటిది? 2 cos square x dx. ఇక్కడ 1/2 is a constant scalar multiple, right outside. So 1/2 integration of sin square x by cos square x. Sin square x by cos square x is equals to tan square x dx. సో ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? tan square x is equals to secant square x minus 1. tan square 1 plus tan square x అని అంటే secant square x. tan square x అని అంటే ఏంటి? secant square x minus 1. అంటే in place of tan square x you write secant square x minus 1. సో here 1/2 ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ tan square x ప్లేస్ లో ఏం రాసుకుంటున్నాం మనము? secant square x minus 1 dx. సో 1/2 into, so using properties of integrals, integration of secant square x dx minus integration of 1 dx. So this is equals to 1/2 secant square x. Integration of secant square x ఏంది మనకి? tan x. secant square x యొక్క సమాకలనము tan x. అదే విధంగా 1 యొక్క సమాకలనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 is x ప్లస్ c. ఇది రోమన్ 6a ఎక్సర్సైజ్ లోనే రోమన్ 2 లో 7th ప్రాబ్లం. ఎవాల్యుయేట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ secant square x minus cos x plus x square dx. So using properties of integration, so integration of secant square x dx minus integration of cos x dx plus x square dx. సో ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ గా ఫార్ములాస్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఫార్ములాస్. ఈ 6a ఎక్సర్సైజ్ కంప్లీట్ గా మనకి యూజింగ్ ఫార్ములాస్ తో చేసేటటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్సే ఉంటవి. సో ఫార్ములాస్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ హియర్. సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ secant square x. secant square x యొక్క సమాకలనము tan x. cos x యొక్క సమాకలనము sin x. అదేవిధంగా x స్క్వేర్ యొక్క సమాకలనం ఏంటిది? x³/3 ప్లస్ c. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ secant x tan x ప్లస్ 3/x మైనస్ 4 dx. సో ఇక్కడ మనం దీన్ని ఏ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు? ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ secant x tan x dx ప్లస్ 3 is a scalar multiple, 3 into integration of 1/x dx minus 4 into integration of 1 dx. సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ secant x tan x. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ secant x tan x ఫార్ములా ఏంటిది? secant x. సో 3 into 1/x. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1/x ఫార్ములా log x minus 4 into ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 అంటే ఏంటి మనకి? x ప్లస్ c. సో ఇక్కడ secant x tan x యొక్క సమాకలనం ఏమో secant x, 1/x యొక్క సమాకలనము log x, 1 యొక్క సమాకలనం ఏంటి? x. సో అందుకని ఏమొచ్చింది మనకు ఆన్సరు? secant x ప్లస్ 3 into log x మైనస్ 4x ప్లస్ c. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ sin hx ప్లస్ 1/x² మైనస్ 1 హోల్ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 1/2 dx. ఇక్కడ మీకు మళ్ళీ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయడం కోసమే ఇట్లా రాయడం జరుగుతుంది. x² మైనస్ 1 హోల్ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 1/2 మీన్స్ వాట్? √(x² మైనస్ 1) అని అర్థం ఇక్కడ. సో ఇక్కడ దీన్ని మనం ఏ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు? sin hx dx. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ sin hx dx ప్లస్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1/√(x² మైనస్ 1) dx. సో x² మైనస్ 1 హోల్ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 1/2 ఉండగానే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కావద్దు. x⁻1/2 అనండి. x² మైనస్ 1 హోల్ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 1/2 అంటే √(x² మైనస్ 1) అని అర్థం. మనకు ఫార్ములాస్లలో ఎక్కడ కూడా మనం ఏ విధంగా రాసుకుంటాము? √(x² మైనస్ 1) అని రాసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. సో యు రైట్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫార్మ్. సో ఇప్పుడు మనకి sin hx, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ sin hx, డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ sin hx is cos hx ప్లస్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1/√(x² మైనస్ 1) ఫార్ములా ఏంటిది? log of x plus √(x² మైనస్ 1) ప్లస్ c. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ a⁻x మైనస్ b⁻x హోల్ స్క్వేర్ బై a⁻x b⁻x ఇంటూ dx. సో ఇక్కడ a పవర్ x మైనస్ b పవర్ x హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఎక్స్పాండ్ దిస్ అంటే a మైనస్ b హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా, జస్ట్ సింపుల్ a మైనస్ b హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా. సో ఇఫ్ యూ ఎక్స్పాండ్ a మైనస్ b హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా, a minus b whole square formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a power x square, a power x whole square అంటే a power 2x plus b power x whole square అంటే b power 2x minus 2 into a power x b power x by a power x b power x into dx. So this is equals to integration of a power 2x by a power x b power x plus b power 2x by a power x b power x minus 2 into a power x b power x by a power x b power x dx. So a power 2x by a power x means a power x by b power x. b power 2x by b power x means b power x by 2x a power x minus a power x cancel, b power x cancel, minus 2 into dx. So this is equals to integration of a by b whole power x dx plus c by a whole power x dx plus minus 2 into integration of 1 dx. So ikkada integration of a power x formula. Here we are using integration of a power x formula. A power x formula is a power x by log a. So in place of a by b is there here. You observe here in place of a by b. So what is the formula of a power x? A power x by log a. So ikkada in place of a power x, a by b is there. So a by b whole power x by log of a by b plus b by a whole power x. So same formula. So b by a whole power x by log of b by a, log of b by a minus 2x plus c, minus 2x plus c. ఎందుకని ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 మనకి ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది? ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 is equals to x. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 is equals to, సో ఇక్కడ log a by b అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? log a minus log b. log b by a అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? log b minus log a. log b minus log a. If you take these common, 1 by log a minus log b. If you take common log a minus log b, a by b whole power x. ikkada log b minus log a, if you write as log a minus log b, then you will get here minus sign. Minus b by a whole power x into minus 2x plus c. minus 2x plus c. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ని కొద్దిగా జాగ్రత్తగా చేయాలి. సింప్లిఫికేషన్ పార్ట్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంది, సో జాగ్రత్తగా చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ సీకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ cosecant square x dx is equals to secant square x cosecant square x. Cosecant square x formula is 1 plus cot square x dx. Cosecant square x అంటే అర్థమైంది 1 plus cot square x dx. If you multiply secant square x inside, secant square x plus secant square x into cot square x. So secant square x plus secant square అంటే ఏంటి? 1 by cos square x into cot square x. Cot square x అంటే ఏంటి? cos square x by sin square x. cos square x, cos square is cancelled. 1 by sin square x అంటే cosecant square x. So integration of secant square x plus integration of cosecant square x dx. Next problem, integration of 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2x dx. So ఇక్కడ 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x formula is 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x formula ఏంటిది? 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos square x by 2 sin square x. సో ఇక్కడ 1/2 అనేటటువంటిది స్కేలార్ మల్టిపుల్. సో యూ రైట్ అవుట్ సైడ్ 1/2. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 by sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x to dx. So this is equals to 1/2 integration of 1 by sin square x. 1 by sin square x means cosecant square x plus cos square x by sin square x. Cos square x by sin square x అంటే cot square x dx cot square x ఇక్కడ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ cosecant square x cot square x formula is cosecant square x minus 1 cot square x formula ఏంటిది cosecant square x minus 1 ఇక్కడ cosecant square x plus cosecant square x plus cosecant square x అంటే 2 cosecant square x minus 1 dx. So 1 by if you multiply 1 by 2 inside 2 will be cancelled. Integration of cosecant square x dx minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 dx. 1 by 2 integration of 1 dx. So cosecant square x dx, cosecant square x formula ఏంటిది minus cot x minus 1 by 2 is as it is. Integration of 1 dx, integration of 1 is x plus c. So minus cot x minus x by 2 plus c. Integration of root of 1 minus cos 2x dx. 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 2x formula 2 sin square x dx, 2 sin square x dx. So here root 2, integration of root of sin square x means sin x dx. Integration of sin x is cos x plus c. Next problem, integration of 1 by cos hx plus sin hx dx. So cos h square x minus sin h square x is equals to 1. This is formula. Cos h square x minus sin h square x is equals to 1. So in place of 1 you are writing cos h square x minus sin h square x by cos hx plus sin hx dx. Cos h square x minus sin h square x అంటే a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula a plus b into a minus b. Cos hx plus cos sin hx into cos hx minus sin hx. ఈ cos hx plus sin hx, cos hx plus sin hx both are cancelled. So integration of cos hx minus sin hx dx. So this you can write integration of cos hx dx minus integration of sin hx dx. Cos hx integration is sin hx integration is cos hx plus c. Next, write down the worksheet. Evaluate integration of x square minus cos x plus 4 by under root of x square minus 1 dx. Next problem is integration of cos hx plus under root of x square 1 by under root of x square plus 1 dx. Next, integration of 3 by root x minus 2 by x plus 1 by 3x square dx. One more problem, integration of x plus 1 by x whole cube dx. X plus 1 by x whole cube dx. Next problem is 3x plus 1 whole square by 2x dx. Integration of root x minus 2 by 1 minus x square dx and x cube minus cos x plus 4 by under root of x square plus 1 dx. Cos hx plus under root of x square plus 1 dx. So these formulas you do it as a homework. Thank you.